Okay guys, this is a 2022 Ford F-250 gas motor, rebuilt title, front end damage, all fixed up as you can see. This is a four-wheel drive model, has a utility bed on it. VIN number. Key for the bag. $69,356 on the miles. Cruise control, power windows, power mirrors, automatic lights, tow package with the locking diff. All your power options, lane assist, backup camera, all your extra switches up here. This does have cup holders here, but then also the extra seat here. Good look at that seat. Extended cab. Have the tow package. I believe you can put racks on this with these brackets here. It's got the running boards here. We love the utility trucks here. Always have them coming in. Keep up on the website to see more.